Hello, fellow chocolate lovers. Are you ready to learn how to make the most delicious and indulgent hot chocolate of your life? All you need is a milk chocolate candy bar and some milk. Let's get started. First, chop up your chocolate candy bar into small pieces. You can use any chocolate candy bar you like, but I personally recommend using a really fancy, expensive one. It'll make you feel like a true hot chocolate connoisseur. Next, heat up some milk in a saucepan over medium heat and add in your chopped chocolate candy bar. Stir constantly until the chocolate has completely melted, the hot chocolate is smooth and creamy, and it begins to steam. If you want to take your hot chocolate to the next level, you can add in a splash of vanilla extract or additional sugar. Or, if you're feeling extra indulgent, you can top it off with some whipped cream or a few mini marshmallows. And that's it! You now have the most decadent hot chocolate you've ever tasted. So sit back, relax, and enjoy your chocolatey masterpiece. Happy sipping!